Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're still on this story of Ucwecwe. So AfriForum comes out to defend this principal that is refusing to submit his DNA to the police so he can be cleared to help the investigation to move forward. AfriForum comes out on TV defending this man. So it's just frustrating, to be honest. And you wonder why. Why would he run to AfroForum to ask for help if he has nothing to hide? I mean, the effort it took him writing to AfroForum asking for advice or help versus to just going to the police station to submit his DNA.
To be honest, there's not even evidence to suggest that the rape took place at the school.
Saying stuff like this, I mean, the investigation has not even taken off yet, and you're out here defending this guy with your chest out. If then it happens that he's guilty, then what? What are you gonna say? These types of incidents are actually opportunities for them to actually show South Africans that they can be neutral. It's not always about race, but again and again and again, and they fail, or they prove most people right. They spend all these resources trying to prove this man's innocent. Why did they not help this mother? Why did they not fight for her? From October last year up until now, what have they done for this little child? They are out here on TV defending a grown man whom they don't even know. No one knows if he's guilty or not. He has not even submitted his DNA. He ran to AfroForum. Why does everything has to be about race? It's so frustrating. If it came out that this man is guilty, they would have proven everyone right. No wonder people, even though they are unhappy about the ANC, they would rather stick with the ANC than voting the D. Is this the justice we're going to get if they ever get into power? Are they going to take sides? How can you take a side of this man? And you are out on TV. It's just mind-blowing. The arrogance of these people. So that's where we are, guys. That's South Africa. That's the reality of our country. I'll see you guys in the next video.